Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, I thank you as always for your continuing support. So I hope everybody is having a good Sunday. This is October. Oh my God, I'm going back in time. November the 13th is what it is. I think. Yes. Yeah, it is. It is. November 13th. So I hope that you guys are having a good rest of your weekend and resting or whatever it is that you need to do to center yourself so that you can prepare for Monday. I am going to do a unbagging. So as you guys know, I went on vacation and I am so happy to be home. Me and two of my friends went to on a cruise. All three of us, our very first cruise, my very first time outside of the United States. So I was like so excited, and so we went to Mahogany Bay. We went to Belize and to Cozumel, and so we caught our ship in Galveston. So we drove from, because I live in Oklahoma, so we drove from Oklahoma to Galveston, and my friends were gracious enough and put up with me to let me go to Fort Worth, where I went craftfully, and I was so excited, so excited. So I just bought a few things. My friend said, don't buy out the store, and it was like, oh my God, it was hard not to, but I did not. So anyway, so we'll get started. So here is the first thing that I bought. I'm loving this. A storage kit. So here's this, and it has little stickers that you can use. And I think these are good, the good stickers. I don't like the ones that have like the kind of, they smear really easily. And I don't think that these are that. They have that little film or whatever. But this is, if I'm not mistaken, I counted these. I think it was like 36. So you have, let me get this out. And these are the smaller ones. They have a big size and then a small size. And you can see a mirror. So my little unicorn. There's that size. Okay. That's a really pretty good size. So one small and then two big. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18, 18. Oh no, wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So 18 and 18 is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So 18. 36 and so 36 plus 36 of the small. So that's 18 of the small. Really, math, not my thing, obviously. And it's got unicorns on it. I love it. And pink and purple are my very favorite colors. When I was growing up, blue used to be my color, but I have switched. I've switched This was $24.99. So when I was getting ready to leave the store, I had picked this up, I don't know how many times, and I put it down, I picked it up and I put it down. And then I went to the bathroom and we were getting ready to leave, and I was like, I need it. So I got it. I'm very happy about that. And it zips really nice. Now, you guys, I took a Diamond Art piece with me, and I wish that I would have had my the tube that you get at Craftibly, and I almost bought one when I was there, but I'm still waiting on I actually ordered one, so I'm still waiting on another another kit from Craftibly, and also the tube, but I wish I would have bought one. But anyway, and I thought about Miss Kim when I got this, because Kim from Kimba's Craft, this, I think this also came in here, some baggies. Loves mugs, and I do too, and I'm trying not to get 1,000 mugs, and I almost bought some more mugs when I was in Cozumel, but I was like, no, put it down. So I have a coffee mug. This was $14.99, I believe. Oh, wait. I have more things for my kid. And then I got a pen, because who doesn't need more pens? Everybody needs pens. And this is $9.99, I believe it was. I will list the correct price in my description. That's really pretty. And it has a straightener and then multi-placers. I think this is like, well, probably has like a 7. It doesn't have on here. And then it has this. I really like the 3 or 4 placers the best. So that's probably what I am going to use. Okay. Very pretty colors. Okay. And then I did get one off canvas project. Because guys, if I buy any more canvases, need to be put in timeout. So that's the very reason. I knew that when I read that I wasn't going to buy a canvas, but I did want to get something. So it's a keychain, and it is double-sided. And then here is the little chain. Okay. So is everybody ready for Thanksgiving? My family, like my daughter and her husband will probably go to their dads and stepmoms, and then we'll do a little something later. But I'm thinking I maybe will go to visit some friends, and maybe even go to a movie. So we have the big crystal red, which probably goes here. Yes, 9, so it goes here. And then some pretty marquees. this blue, and then a small little red, and then here, some more. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that. And a smaller. And then here's the rest of the crystals. Oh, it's really pretty. And this kind of silver. Oh, okay. So it's silver and then the bottom part. I was like, black silver? Really am okay. Really I am. Okay. All right. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 special. All right, let me see if I can do this. Oh, you guys, my nails need to be done. I'm doing that probably tomorrow. Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, good stick. A good stick. Okay, so that is my haul, and I'm going to attempt, I see people do this all the time, finish it and then come back, so I'm going to try to come back in with a completion. I think that's all I got. All right, I'll be back, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, so I did finish my keychain, and it took me probably like 15 minutes, if that long. It's double-sided, and I think probably because there was like bigger drills or special drills, and then just the outline was the only smaller ones. Well, I guess these are two right here in the blue are small, but it didn't take me long at all. And you know what, it comes with a chain, and I would be careful with those chains because I had one that I have on my keychain, and I went to put my key in the door, and I went to pull back, and I didn't pull the key out, and it ripped the chains. So be very careful with the chains. Some of them are not as high quality. And so I haven't sealed this, and so I have this. It's Co-Lily, and I just found this on a Amazon. That looks a lot like Facebook. And I have tried it on a couple of pictures, and I really like it. It comes on clear and it dries clear, so that's why I like it a lot better. So hopefully I can undo this. Oh my goodness. I think I didn't clean it very well. Oh my God. Ah, here we go. So it has like a foam top. Okay. Probably what I'll do is just kind of tear this paper. So squeeze. There we go. And then just rub all over. And it says not to use a lot, so I'm just trying to rub in what I've got. And then when this dries on this side, then I will do the other side. You know, and you guys, when I showed you this, I didn't show you the toolkit, which was just, it just came with the pen and a little piece of wax. It didn't even have a bow, which was fine. And I got this at Craftibly as well. So I will put down in the description the prices on everything. And that's it. That is it. So that was my Craftibly haul. And I really enjoyed going there. And trust me, I could have spent so much more, but I was able to stop myself. So, all right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if you please give me a like on the way out. If you enjoy listening to me ramble, if you can give me, if you like to hit that subscription and hit the bell to be notified of any time that I post a video, I would truly, truly appreciate it. Oh, and I forgot to say before I get out, I have plenty of beads left over. So no problem there. Okay, so remember to be kind to one another and be cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.